So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do the overhand shuffle, which is really easy to do. So let me take out the cards. And also stick to the end, because at the end I'm going to show you some easy tips to do the overhand shuffle. Deck. Okay. So overhand shuffle looks like this. This is very easy to do. What you will have to do is that you will hold the cards in this way, with your middle finger at the front side and your thumb finger at the back side. And with the help of your left hand thumb finger, you will pull out cards and shift it to your left hand with your thumb finger. 2 or 3 cards, or maybe 1 card at a time. And in a fast manner, it looks like this. And after completing this, all the cards are being shuffled, and you can claim a card. Okay, so this is very easy to do. So you can directly do this. Yeah, you can hold these cards in this way also. I like to hold these cards in this way, with your ring and middle finger and your thumb finger here. This is also very easy grip. You can do this very easily, like this. So that was the overhand shuffle. Thanks for watching. And now, the bonus tip. The bonus tip is that many of you may not be able to do this correctly. So for beginners, you can do this like this. You will hold these cards in your left hand and then pull out a small pile of cards from the middle and then keep it on top, and then with your left hand again pull out and like that with the thumb of your left hand, and with your right hand again pull out a small pile of cards from the middle, and you can do this like that. So this shuffle is mainly used by magicians, and you can also use the shuffle during playing cards. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. Hope you liked that video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Peace out.